Yo, you gonna copyright it, bro?
It's good. It's Kanye too.
Yo, copyrighted.
Yo, he's wild.
What are you, an anime character? Nigga trying to kill me with a jab. Yo, what's
You
wrong with
wildin'.
you?
Shut the bummer clock up, son.
Yo, I'm about to die.
Coming Flex, baby.
And we're back.
To another video. You already know what it is. Comment.
No, they don't. They don't know what it is, bro.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and
What's
subscribe. I'm
the?
skipping everything, man.
What the hell is this anime?
I think this is that time I got reincarnated as a slime.
Oh.
We reacted to the opens. How much they got?
3,
3?
I think. That's
Yo,
what I
this
saw.
show is valid, bro.
Unless they got
That's,
4.
yo. As soon as he
Unless
came
they have 4
through
now,
to
maybe.
the new world, I already knew it was gonna be lit, bro.
I just put the first one.
I ain't know all that.
Oh, and
I was
he
just
was slime, bro.
confused. He was
I
just
knew
a
it
Now
was
choir.
shut
gonna
up.
He was getting mad.
Shut up.
The cave,
This
bro.
nigga ate a dragon.
This nigga, bro, he can release the dragon,
I know.
but he don't know yet.
You ate your mother too.
That's crazy.
He
Shit,
can
he
eat
should
my
release my mother, bro.
It was his mother.
Yeah, my mother.
Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your mothers, daughters, sisters, grandmothers, everyone, all of them of age, they gotta be of age. Make sure they like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure they support us. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there, man. Like, yo, we growing, man, for real. Like, anyways, make sure y'all smash that like and subscribe button. Just be like,
I did.
you know, you gotta be like,
I did.
when you smash it. Yo, I'm not even connected. What y'all doing? Yo! Y'all wildin'.
Yo, you should have been connected.
Bro, you should have been
Where?
new, bro.
Oh my god.
What's the
stupid,
connection, bro? I was talking still, man. Like,
Why are you still talking for?
because I
You
like to
taking too
talk.
long.
This
my
shit
gosh.
is
Yo,
fire.
hurry up.
Yo, let's go.
Alright.
I thought you bucked it, bro.
Yo, the song wasn't even on.
Nah, this shit is weak.
Try hard. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, I gotta watch this next season.
So,
I think it was a 5.
yeah.
And that's why I disagree with y'all.
Yo, put your shit back up, bro. We don't want your opinion, bro.
Your opinion,
But first
your
of all,
opinion is
y'all are the most biased niggas I ever heard of, bro.
How?
Nah,
Wait.
It wasn't that, what you call it? The flow wasn't that good, bro, but like, it was fire though, I ain't gonna lie. So I gave it a 4.5.
Yeah, I was gonna give it a 4, to be honest. But y'all the most biased niggas ever, bro. Y'all give everything a 5. Fuck.
I gave it a
Everything
4.
can be a 5, bro.
I gave it a 4.
For now.
Bro.
Damn. But yeah, it was a 4.
Let me see.
Nah, I feel it's...
You can't move it back, bro.
What are you doing? Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, bro.
This is the second opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's over.
But
No.
yeah, it was valid though.
Yeah.
Oh, it went to the second video. I see what you're
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah.
a 4.
A 4.
Let me see.
I don't know. I think I like the anime. That shit made it fire.
Okay.
I mean, it was one of it was. I think it was my favorite opening too. Though.
It was?
I think so.
I remember my.
I don't remember the
to
opening,
be honest with
yeah.
you.
I don't remember them either.
Yeah.
I usually don't listen to them that much, but I do have them.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but you remember I was telling you about the girl that he was fighting?
Yeah.
He was fighting her right there. And,
Yeah.
that's the one that he's supposed to be fighting in the new season.
Wait, you talking about the girl that died?
Nah, that's not the girl that died. It was some girl that he was fighting. Like, you didn't see he was fighting some girl.
With the sword?
Yeah.
And she had the white cloak?
Yeah, I think so.
And he acted like a black lady?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
Okay.
supposed to be fighting her this season.
Okay.
It looked fire, so I definitely.
First of all, y'all biased against. Let's just start the video. man.
How?
Bro, this anime was fire
It wasn't really.
until the little demon girl came, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's
You
just,
just make them look pointless.
shit, yeah.
I'm just like, yeah,
Oh,
y'all
yeah.
niggas can't really.
Why,
compete
they
with
always do that to animes, bro. They always
Yeah,
make
you
one
know.
character ruin the vibe, bro.
That's not true at all.
But when he first came out, bro, he found the goblins. He
Okay.
named all them niggas, and then there was a plot. So this had to fight the ogre that was eating everybody.
There's still a plot though.
And then right now, they just pull up with the demon
I
girl.
forgot the ogre.
I'm like, yo, why she
Ogre was
here,
that
bro?
big, too.
Like, some people, they just changed the whole feeling of the anime, bro.
I mean,
Not true at
there's
all.
gotta be a reason behind it though.
If you haven't seen this anime called Alfred, I think.
Wait, what?
Yo, let's start the video, son.
My fault.
Yo, y'all got
This
a
guy's
run.
so angry, bro.
Yo,
Nah, but she running, bro.
wait, yo, you playing this thing? Yo, you have the mouse.
Yo, what are you doing?
Yo,
Press and play.
Shit, fired him, bro. That was mad short.
Yeah, she was. I just realized.
I didn't realize that was mad short.
Was it like a minute or something?
That shit was like a minute or something.
'Cause they
Aw.
usually do it
So, after you, my brother.
I give it a 3.
You give it a 3?
Yup.
I'll give it a. I think I'll give it a 3 too. It's not bad.
I give it
It's
3.5. I
I
like
was,
the first
I was
one better.
thinking about a 3.5, but I put it like in between. It's not bad. It's not like great. It's just like it's a good song.
It's like, yeah, it's like a whatever for me. I'm like, oh, like it's like I listen to it, but I don't really like it. Like I don't know. Like
Probably you don't vibe with it.
yeah, I guess
You know,
it's not. I don't dislike it though.
Yeah,
It could have been better.
Yeah,
you could have.
But, oh well.
it's cause of Shy.
It's because your mother. But
Yeah.
we're not going to talk
That's
about
Because of all
crazy.
our mothers.
that. No. Don't bring my mother into this. Your mother.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, bro.
I'm
My
crazy.
mother only speaks one language.
Oh,
My mother only speaks one language. She has
Okay.
nothing to do with the Japanese.
oh, he come out your mother, bro.
My mother speaks Creole. What that got to do with anything?
She already speaks 2 languages.
She's
My mother
So
It's
yes.
not very in-depth.
So what you saying is your man is stupid.
Yo.
Anyways, let's not get into that. Anyways.
You abuse my mother.
Niggas wildin', bro.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Play the video.
I'm not ready. So what are y'all,
Yo.
what are y'all expecting from this one? This is the new one.
The new one?
Yo,
I already know the government is gonna be wild on them because they're city of monsters, bro. So this shit needs to be fire. And if it's not fire,
He has a good point.
anyways, can you
'Cause
play
that
the
is
video?
supposed to be happening. So it's gotta be fire. You get $1.
Bang, the video,
Yeah,
damn.
$1.
oh, she's reincarnated or something? What you think, bro?
I give it a 4.5.
I get a 5. But yeah, boy, I'm talking about. The flow is better than the first one, but I don't think it was better than the first one, though.
I don't think it was
the
better
first
than
one
the
vibe
first
more,
one.
bro.
With
I think
this
I'm
one,
gonna change the
like,
first one to a 5, bro.
Cause what's it called? It kind of started slow, so I was like still trying to think like, am I liking this or like? And then as it started to go, I was like, started smiling.
It was something, bro. You know it was lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, nah, I don't even want to hear it. Alright, yeah. So, what you think about this new anime coming up, bro?
I think it's gonna be really good.
They look crazy, bro. They got like this crazy demon looking guy.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about
black, bro.
too. The
Yeah.
thing, like it has some like the weird mouth looking thing. It kind of looked like the.
I give it a 3.5.
Oh, I thought you were gonna give it a 2. The way he was sitting there, it looked like he was gonna give it a 2. I was trying to skip you.
I give it a 2.
Huh?
Yes, because they scared me.
What we gotta do with the rating, bro?
Bro, that's not
Y'all toxic fans.
Wow.
That's why I would call the community people.
What? Yo,
I was just
what?
Hey,
speaking-
you're not speaking English, bro.
I didn't speak English for a second.
Of
but
course,
you
if
know
you
what I
like the
meant.
anime, it's gonna affect
That's not true at all.
your view
Hell no.
on the
First of all,
intro.
what
unless
if
the intro is
Nah, that's
trash.
cap. That's cap.
If the intro is
First-
trash, then it's just trash.
Yeah, exactly. Like I said, that's
I mean,
cap.
he has a good point though, because you remember the
No.
Jujutsu Kaisen opening
Nah.
two endings that we did, the first 2,
No.
or the second 2.
Nah,
I actually like them now more.
of
When
course
I
you do.
watched more of the episodes.
Yo,
Better
where
yet,
though?
Remember the Attack on Titan, the last season opening? You wasn't
Okay.
feeling it. It was a bit
Nah,
weird.
I
And
was
then we watched the
traumatized.
first
That's
episode.
different. I
That
was
shit was
traumatized.
fire, bro.
Yes.
Along with the rest that I didn't like.
Hmm?
But first of all, I watched this though, to be honest.
Yeah, but did you like
You
it that
weird. You
much?
have no feelings, bro.
Not really. I didn't
Yeah,
like
see?
it like
He
that.
didn't like it like that, bro.
It was
That's
alright.
But you know, like what?
The
It's
that
it's,
time I got
it's
reincarnated
alright.
as a slime.
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Yo, bro. It's alright. Yes, it's alright. Wait. What would you rank this? What would you rank this, bro?
Alright.
Wait. Whoa. That's act like it's the greatest enemy. It's not the greatest enemy, bro.
But it was good though.
It's alright.
It was nice.
It's decent.
Good.
Yeah, it's decent.
It's
I ain't saying
decent.
now.
Yeah, so
Decent.
So decent is good.
It's decent.
Decent is too low.
Decent is too low.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, man. Y'all guys are crazy, bro.
You violated like that.
What's a good anime to y'all, bro?
Bro, Parasite, bro.
No, Parasite is a beautiful anime, bro. Are you fucking
That
That shit
dumb?
is valid, bro.
Yeah, that's type better than the slime though.
It
That's what I'm
is.
saying. Yeah, so what are you talking
But you
about?
can't really compare it because they're like two different animes, bro.
No, I can compare them, bro.
No.
Yes,
no,
I
no.
can, bro.
No.
It's
That's
about
like,
what I like
bro,
better.
that's like comparing Gundam
Okay.
to.
I mean, it's
Sword
two,
Art
it's two
Online,
different
bro.
types though, because that one's an isekai and the other one is.
Okay.
It's like a.
Okay, so that's like, so why do they have award shows, bro?
Huh?
They be having award shows.
That's because they go based on ratings, bro.
Okay then. So it
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
And they kind of go off of like. the
Bro,
So
genre
when you're
too.
comparing anime, bro,
I'm comparing it
It's
to my
different,
opinion. I think the Parasite is better. Why could you say to me?
I said it was better too. But like,
Exactly.
I'm saying you can't compare the two, bro.
But
You can't compare
it's
it.
clearly better, bro.
Bro, it's a different.
The storyline
the
is
story
better.
is different though.
Yeah, it has a better story too.
It do have a
It's an
better story.
isekai though.
Okay, a
People
isekai,
got
they could go
pulled
deep in
into
it.
another world.
Look,
Look, man,
first of all,
shit,
first of all,
I ain't gonna lie,
it's
bro.
my fault that
Yeah,
you
it's
chose the
like-
isekai storyline. It's the author for you went that route. You could have went the other route,
But it's just a world building.
and then you could,
It's world building.
bro, you could have done something different.
It's
You're not
world
even in
building.
the car yet.
Huh?
Be quiet, I'm busy. Yo, I thought 20 minutes on.
You gotta talk about
Anyways,
Yeah.
bro.
Alright, so look. They can make it like a different story. Like send him to another planet or something. Y'all always send him to a different fucking
Bro,
like,
that's another planet, bro.
yeah, it could be interesting on other planet too. Because basically they're going to other planet. Because they're going to basically other universe, bro. They be dragging it. They can do anything. So I don't know what to tell y'all.
Bro, they always take the magic route
Yeah.
with you
Magic?
got OP as hell, or
First of all, magic could be mad
you
nice.
gotta get OP.
But magic could be mad nice though.
Of course, magic can be mad nice, bro.
I'm pretty sure. I feel like Juju has a better story than this already. Like I could just tell it has a
That's
better
That's
story.
different though.
How is that different?
Cause
He's
That's
not
what
going another
isekai.
one, bro.
And you could go deep in the isekai. Do not excuse this. Put, you know I'm not gonna say anything. But anyways,
he's living a whole nother life. This nigga,
Yo,
Itadori
I
was
don't care
born
anymore,
how he
man.
was born into that world. He literally grew
yo,
up
I
like
don't
that.
know the story. Shut the fuck up. Thank you.
Yo, don't talk to me, bro. You watch that shit without us, bro. Yo,
It's
shut up, shut up, shut up. No.
But anyways,
No,
let me
you
know
violated,
in
bro.
the comments, man. Like
Yo,
these guys is crazy.
which
Just
other-
let us know.
Yo, which opening was the best opening, yo? Just, put that in the comment.
Which one was the worst one?
Why are they whispering?
You suck dick.
Anyways, don't forget to like, comment,
Subscribe,
share.
you
what
know,
I'm
hit that
saying?
subscribe button. We almost to 700. We getting there, and then when we get there, we going above and beyond. Catch you next video.